begin. We need 4 apps to run at the same time. There is 2 browser and 2 OBS Studio. About the browser, I use Chrome and Edge. If you want to choose another like Firefox or maybe Opera, is also can. Now you can download OBS Studio and OBS Virtual Cam. In here, I using the old version for OBS, because for me it's more suitable than new one. To download it, I will put the link in description. If you was finish the installation, make sure in the tools of OBS there is Virtual Cam, look like this. Let's revise the Freindly name. Go to the search of Windows, then press Regedit. Enter. Now we go to location 1. Copy from this and paste in here. Enter. Double click on Freindly name. From OBS camera, change to HD Webcam. Okay. Then go to below folder. From Freindly name, on the OBS camera 2, change to HD Cam. Okay. Now we go to location 2. The process is look like same like location 1. Copy from here, then paste in here. Enter. Double click on Freindly name. From OBS camera, change to HD Webcam. Okay, then go to below folder. Double click on Freindly name. From OBS camera 2, change to HD Cam. Okay. Close. Please be note, before you open the browser, you should disable first your device camera. Go to the search of Windows, then press Device Manager. Here, then find your camera device, like this. Right click on this, then disable device. Now you can close. It's almost finished. Now you can open your OBS Studio. Remove this. Then you double click again on OBS Studio. If there is a picture like this, just press launch anyway. Now you have 2 OBS. Let's set up your virtual cam. On this OBS, go Tools, Virtual Cam, and you should choose the target camera is OBS camera, then Start. Close. And reminder that OBS camera is meant HD webcam. So to make easy, in the scan you can rename HD webcam. Now the second OBS, go to the Tools, Virtual Cam, then you should choose OBS Camera 2 and then Start. And as you revise the Freindly name, the OBS Camera 2, the name is HD Cam. So to make easy, in the scan you can revise to HD Cam. Okay, then now you can open the 2 browser, Chrome and Edge. should divide the area between these two browser and these two OBS. It looks like this. This function is for take a chapter between a stranger 1 and stranger 2. Now you go to OBS, press this one, then choose display chapter. Okay, and this OBS do same, press this one and choose display chapter. Okay, then okay. Now you can open the website ometv. This one also ometv. Okay, now this website is already have a virtual cam, and make sure between this website is a different virtual cam. On this one, on your scan is a HD webcam, so you can leave it. On this one, HD cam, so you should change to HD cam. Alright, now we go take a chapter from this one. We take the picture on this one. Go to here, press Alt, then click. You define the area like this to get this chapter. Right click, transform, then fit to screen. Okay, then you can make it good like this. Just press Alt, then click together. Alt click together. Alright, now it was done. You see? The stranger 1 will see on stranger 2. Now, the stranger 2, he will see the stranger 1. We go to this OBS. Do the same, like press Alt, then click together. Go to this. Right click, transform, then fit to screen. Okay, you just move, you just make it clearly the chapter. Okay. Okay, now if you want to put some video in the OBS, you just press this one and choose a media source. Okay, then browse your video, for example like this. Okay, and make clear the chapter, transform, then fit to screen. Or you can put this one. One minute. Okay, on this one you can also same, press media source. Okay, browser, then choose your video like this. Okay, right click, transform, and fit to screen, then make it look like real. Like this. Okay, I think it's enough. Then if you doesn't want to show this video, you just press this or this. Okay, and one more thing, if you want to take your real camera So you should go to device manager. Here, go to device manager, and here, then when you disable before, you enable again. Right click, then enable device. Okay, and press this one. Go to video chapter device. Okay, then this is your real camera. Sorry. Right click, transform, then video screen. In here, you can also do same. Press here, video chapter device. Okay. Okay, then now the project was done, and we can try it. Just press start and start. So you will see, they will see each other, and for me, it's become a stranger in there. Go to the next, go to the next. Let's see. They will see each other, and we become a stranger. Okay, that's all my tutorial. I hope this video can help you for make a prank video. And oh yeah, don't forget to subscribe my channel and share to everyone. And in the next video, I will show you how to set up the virtual zone into this same project. Thank you and bye bye.